everyone and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we're gonna make pancake. Yes, today I'm gonna show you my recipe how to make easy, yummy, fluffy pancake with only few ingredients. So I have here unbleached all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna add to it the yellow corn flour, baking powder, and my secret here, it's the French vanilla flavor coffee mate. That's how they look like. And we're gonna combine all the dry ingredients together. In the meantime, we're gonna have the stove on the medium. And the reason why I use the coffee mate is because it have the sweet in it and the flavor, and can replace the milk at the same time. So now it's time to start adding the water, and that's the only liquid we're adding to our pancake mix. Now depends how thick, how thin you want your batter. You can add more water, less water. Now if you need your pancake a little thick, you stop right here. But I want it a little thinner, so I'm gonna add a little bit more water. And to me, this is the perfect thickness. Now you can use any measuring cup if you want to, but before you have to brush the frying pan with some butter. So I have some butter here in the paper towel. We're just gonna rub in the middle. Here we go. Now, how do you know when to flip the pancake? See, the bubbles appear all over the surface here, and now need to be flipped. Perfect, that's what we need. Nice. Put it on the side, a little bit butter in the middle, and now I'm gonna show you how you can make a little design with it as well. So you put a little one in the middle first. You wait 5 seconds, you add more on top, you wait 5 more seconds, and you add the rest in the middle. Now you can see the bubbles everywhere. Now it's time to flip, and this is the one with the design. Perfect, see the lines? And of course it's gonna be topped with the pure maple syrup. So let's start with the first one. A little maple syrup on top. Second one. Isn't that beauty? Look at this. Perfecto. And a little butter in the middle. And of course it's gonna be topped with the pure maple syrup. Wow, look at that beautiful layers, same thickness, same color, and looks amazing. So now the moment of the truth. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. Easy, fluffy, tasty pancake, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.